So this is what we have done. You know, these are one of these cars that you have to see in person. Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. It is time to start pulling weight out of the car. Now, what we've already done is Sunday after NMRA, went out to Xander's house and he was ready to get rid of something, and I was getting ready to pull a trigger on buying these certain somethings. So he worked out a deal, traded out some stock stuff for aftermarket stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, then we'll talk about the weight savings. So this is what we have done. We have went to the Corvo racing seat, driver and passenger. Now the stock seats weigh about, there's Chris. The stock seats weigh about 45 pounds, and these are about 17 pounds, and the brackets I believe are like 6 pounds. We will reweigh the car though and get you guys the exact weight of it once I get through stripping the weight out. Now, so you got 45 pounds gone, so you got 90 pounds gone. We've added in about 23 pounds per side, and so right at 45 pounds of weight savings. Now I know I could have just took the passenger side out and got that same weight savings. However, now I got the same weight savings I would if I took the passenger side seat out, but I can put a passenger in there, and if I go to the drag strip and I want to pull more weight out, I got about 22 pounds right there that I can pull out very easily. Now, I elected to go with these instead of the Kirkies. Reason being is I kind of like to drive around the car for a while. I'm still going to drive it on the street a lot, so this is kind of like the perfect in-between. A lot lighter than the stock seat. However, it still gives you a little comfort over like a Kirky or something like that. So since we're still driving on the street, that's what we're going with for right now. And I'm going to pull the rear seats out. We're going to put a rear seat delete back there, of some sorts back there, and get that out. As far as that's pretty much what we're starting on with the weight savings in the car. If you didn't catch the last video, on 7 pounds of boost, we went a 10-4 at 135. That's not too shabby for just 7 pounds of boost. But I'm looking to get a little more out of it, and look at this. I lost the Race Star little emblem that goes right here, that is over here. I noticed when I got back from NMRA it was gone. I was like, oh well. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm just gonna switch the front wheels off of this and put the street wheels on the front. It's looking like rain all weekend, so unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to get the car out to the 8th mile drag strip to play around a little bit. I wish I could, but it is what it is. However, I've started working on this. I've got down to, I'm about ready to pull the oil pump off of it and put the oil pump gears in the oil pump, put it back together, have it back together for this weekend with the Pro Charger installed, get it down to the dyno this weekend and get it tuned on the dyno and get ready to go. But yeah guys, I figured I'd share with you guys what little weight savings I've done, what my plans are. It's looking like that I am going to end up going with the BMR K-member up front, but slowly but surely we're gonna get a little weight out of the car. Now I am, except for the seats that I traded Xander, but I told him if he sells them, let me know. But I will be keeping all my stock stuff, so if I decide to ever put this car back, then I can. But however, I'm not sure when I'm gonna do the BMR K-member, because Jeff from Hellhorse has got his 4-to-1 headers done. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some pictures up right here. As you can see, this is the new standard for Hellhorse twin turbo kit. Gotta love it. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the stock K-member on it for right now until I get the 4-to-1s on there and show you guys the fitment and everything else with the stock K-member, and then go to the BMR. I know y'all have seen the fitment with the turbos with the stock K-member right now, but talking to Jeff, the fitment is even better now with the stock K-member. So we're gonna rock the stock K-member long enough for me to install that, show you guys the fitment, and give you guys kind of my review on the new 4-to-1 headers, how they fit, how everything works together. Remember guys, you can save yourself some money at Hellhorse Performance by entering discount code SpeedAddict731, and yes, that does include the turbo kits. And the 4-to-1 headers are now standard in their kit, so no more of the stock modified headers, no more of that. It is 100% 4-to-1 custom headers, ceramic coated, all standard in his kit. So enter code SpeedAddict731, save yourself some money and get you one of those kits, because I am absolutely loving how this car is performing right now with this. Cannot wait to get the 4-to-1s on here. So guys, that's kind of the rundown of the car. I do need to clean it up. It was a dust bowl around where we were at in Bowling Green NMRA, where we had to park, and this car is absolutely filthy. I need to give it a bath, but I've been busy with that blue thing in there. We got it Monday evening. If you watched the last video, you seen we got it in. And then yesterday evening, spent a few hours getting down to the oil pump. Gonna continue on with that car, get it done by this weekend, and then I can start going back to this car and get the N2MB box installed on this car. Guys, look who just showed up.
Hey, you like my new car?
What is going on, man?
I just
Yeah, you've been clickbaiting everybody, man. What's up with that?
He was a Mustang owner. People
I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. Yes, it was. Guys, this is Jeremy. He's been on Xander's channel a couple times, and he just picked up this beautiful C8 Corvette, so they drove it down for me to take a look at it. I've never seen one in person.
Oh,
this is my first time seeing one in person.
Want to see something cool? Check this out. Watch the side of the car.
Look at that. Man, these things are sharp.
It is.
This is the first time he's seeing one this close in person.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've seen him driving down the road. Oh my Lord, look at this thing, guys. Oh my, woo. Okay, let me see. Aha. All right, so guys, let's check it out. I feel guilty getting inside of it. I feel like I'm too dirty. Oh my.
Now here's a little shocker for you. Watch the dash.
All right. It's not doing it.
What the hell?
It's a Chevrolet. It's already broke. I'm just kidding.
I just gave him the key.
So I didn't hit the button?
No, when you close the door, the splash screen's supposed to start.
Okay, hold on.
Turn it on.
Oh yeah, just start the car.
Start button.
No, this is 15 months ago.
Oh yeah. Man, this is nice.
I'm a diehard Mustang guy.
This is sweet. Guys, check this out, man. Check this out. Look at that. Look what's right there. Oh, wee. The engine. Oh man, this is cool. That's a camera right there, right?
Yes, it is.
It's not actually a rear view mirror, it's actually a camera. I like it, guys. I like it. I could cruise around this all day long. We need one of these next to that. Eventually. Eventually, goes, guys, goes. Man, just check it out. I gotta get back here and check out the engine now. Ooh-wee. Huh?
We're ripping your twin top. It's going over here. We're gonna put them up here.
And if he pays for it, I'll do it right now. Man, check it out. That is sharp. This is sharp. Guys, this is my first time actually looking at one this close and being around one, so this is pretty cool. I'm late to the show. Everybody else has already had them on their channels and everything else, and I'm late to the show, but I'm just taking it all in, everything about it. Some people don't like those wheels. I actually do like them.
All right, let's take it out and look.
What color is this?
Accelerate yellow.
Accelerant yellow.
Look like a highlighter.
Like a highlighter, yeah, yeah.
Holy crap, that is deep.
Yeah.
Look at this. I mean,
Look at that storage down in there.
Yeah.
And then you got storage in the back.
mm-hmm.
Guys, we need one of these on the channel eventually. Park it right next to the twin turbo. And I'm about to fall and trip myself. Did you should have got that on camera. I almost fell and tripped myself. I was backing up to get both cars in the shot.
Well, it's got the performance package. It's got every performance on it.
So it's a Z51 package.
Let's see here.
All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, here we go.
Sounds good.
Takes forever. Woo!
Man.
Okay.
Man, I'm loving the car, man.
Dude, it's
I've only seen a couple passing by, you know.
this color. It's nasty.
I know. It's like a highlighter with a neonish. I mean, it's a crazy color.
It's got a little green in it.
Yeah, it's like a greenish yellowish. Yeah, yeah. It's crazy, man. I want one.
I do.
I want one, but
Honestly,
I don't want to get rid of the twin turbo car for
no,
it.
I want to
Beside it.
Right.
You know, these are one of these cars that you have to see in person to really appreciate all the lines in it, how everything comes together. Seeing it in person, on picture and on video, I really like the car, but in person, it's just like everything about it I love. I just want to go for a ride real quick. I know we can't get on it, but I still want to ride in one. Oh man. Oh guys, look, yellow seatbelt. Haha. Oh, it did it. Shit. Oh, it did it. That's what he was trying to show me earlier. Not sure how the quality is gonna be, guys. It's nighttime, but yes.
Oh, here's something I was just showing him. All right, you know how these screens can get bright at night?
Mm-hmm.
Every light in the car just went out.
Sweet.
I mean, the emergency stuff's on, but nothing in here.
Yeah.
That screen's off.
It's kinda
I
like
got my
stealth
gear.
mode?
Yeah. I got what's required by federal law.
That is nice.
That's 70 miles an hour, and that's a quarter throttle.
I love how the transmission shifts. And it won't let you go above that RPM, will it?
Oh, yes, it will.
Oh, it will. You just gotta be.
That's why I'm shifting it.
So you gotta be disciplined, guys. Man, this thing hugs curves so well.
And all right, manual mode will automatically go down to the lowest gear it can go. Whoa, I just went to the red line and shouldn't have.
Chevy, you didn't see that. You know, Corvette and then of course Mustang with the GT500 got a lot of slack for going with the DCT and getting rid of the manual transmission. But it's kind of like the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
You get the benefits of an auto, but you still get a manual transmission. I think it's the best of both worlds. A lot of people don't like it. I love it.
And it turns on a freaking dime. The turning radius is so tight.
And the price that you can get one of these for.
This is well optioned. I mean, you can get the performance. If you just want a stripped down performance of what this is, it is $65,000.
That's not bad at all.
There is not a better performance car for the money on the planet than this car. It's not the highest performance car by any means, but dollar for performance, you cannot beat this car. And then you can add your luxury stuff into it.
Make a left right here. It's crazy.
See, even carrying some speed.
I'd get in trouble. That's... Man, I love it, dude. He come in right here.
Yeah.
I don't know how fast we were going. He just cut in. Just to... I'd get in so much trouble in this car.
Oh, I know.
Like...
I'd be arrested very quickly.
I did screw up. I was showing him the automatic downshift, and I went to 6,500.
Oh.
But he wasn't on the throttle. He was...
It was
Yeah.
downshift.
Yeah, so it's, you know,
It was-
he's seating the rings, man. That's all.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, thank you for bringing it. Let me check it out. Man.
I can't wait to try launch control in it soon.
Oh,
Get to
yes.
hopefully do that tomorrow.
Guys, go check out Xander 13's channel for all the content with this car, going crazy with it. Unfortunately, I have a job where I have to work, so I don't get to have these funds. But anyway, go check out Xander 13 for all the rest of the content with this car. man, I'm absolutely in love now. And now, yep. So guys, if you're in the market for some performance work, I do that on the side now. Just to let you guys know, so you can help me out, be able to afford one of those. But anyway, guys, and on a serious note, I want to talk real quick. You can go to speedaddicts731.com and you can purchase t-shirts and vinyl stickers that we have on the website. I am right now designing and coming up with some more shirts and also looking to get some hats on the website. So go check that out. speedaddicts731.com. Very, very simple, very easy store to navigate, accepts all major credit cards. Go check it out. But guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Say bye. Jeremy, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for bringing that down. I absolutely love it. Now I have another toy that I want. Chris out here, my little pit crew out here working. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys, we caught it. It's doing its thing. Oh, you better not. You better not. Okay. Oh, dude, check that out. That is awesome. That is awesome.